Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to put a single name on your Facebook account. Let's get started. Step number 1, open your Facebook app. So as I said, this is the account that I'll be making a single name on. Right now it says John Green, but I'm going to change it to just John. So the first thing you need to do is scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Here, click on Account Center at the top. Now you will see your profile, tap on it, and then tap on your profile again. Before you go and click the name option, just close the Facebook app and open the Play Store. Don't close the Facebook app. Let it remain open in the background. Open the Play Store and search for VPN LAT. Click on Install. Once the installation is complete, click on Open. You'll see an Accept prompt. Click on Accept. Here, you will see a list of countries. Scroll down to find the Indonesia server. This trick is only working with Indonesian servers for now for some reasons. As you can see, Indonesia is here, so click on it. Sometimes ads will pop up. Now, as you can see, select the area. I will select this one and click on Connect. Now the server is now connected. So after connecting, you go back and open Facebook, and then you continue from the step where you stopped. So under Account Center, you select the profiles, then you choose the one that is linked to Facebook, then now under name, you click on it. Then you can edit the name. So you remove the last name, and then you edit the first name that you want to appear on your Facebook profile. So for now, I'll put John. So then where there is last name, you're just going to press space, that space bar. Then after that, you click Review Change. So under last name, just click space, then Save Changes. So after saving these changes, the name will only be one. So then you can confirm by logging into your Facebook account again. So you open Facebook, then check. And this way, you will have only one name on your Facebook account. That's how you can do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.